Yeah, hello amazing customers. In terms of installation, this be how we do it, you see. As for this stone that you are laying on the pillars, we call it a natural stone cladding, you see. This one, you see, uh, you see, you see, is a rock stones. So you don't need to plaster your pillars before you give us a call. It not be necessary. You see, it not be necessary, and this is how the work go, one after the other before you get it done perfect and professional way. You see, if you go pay attention, you'll see a rope, you'll see a natural rope, you'll see a rope, you see, you see, uh-huh, you see. So with the rope you make sure that everything makes straight on the pillars with our levels and a tape measure. So in this video you have to get idea about how to fix a natural stone cladding on your building or maybe yourself. So watch the video to the beginning to the end and have a little knowledge. So after you spread on the mortar, you have to put another stone again, you see. So in the stones now you make sure that the stone that you pick for the first time now it will be similar to what you'll be picking to put on top. You see, you get me. You have to make sure that the stone you'll be putting like, all have to be similar. So that at the end of the day it looks straight on the pillar for you. So as for this installation, normally we have some many types of installation, but we have some that we call it packaging. So a packaging installation, as for that one, you don't need to have a similar size put on top. You can put a stone anyhow, and put your mortar inside and that be all. But this one is not the packaging. You see, you have to make sure that all make alignment. You see, look at something. You see, you have to make sure that all the line make alignment. You see, alignment. I hope that you are getting me. Yeah, so you have to make sure that every stone get alignment on the building. I hope that you get me. So let's go to him again so that you get me right. Yeah, so as for these stones, We only use hammer, yeah, to do the job. That be one of the fastest way, because machine going to waste your time. So the hammer is one of the fastest way to deal with. Uh-huh. So these stones is 100% natural, a pure 100% natural. You see. So when you see, just look at something. You see the top. You go see that all of them look alignment. So that be what we are looking for. That is what we are looking for. And we are also, you have to make sure also that the rope here no is on the muff pepe. You see. So because of the nature of this work, this design take a time. So that viewer sometimes when you price, you may say the price is high, but it will not be as. It's about the installation. In terms of the durable, this lasts forever. These stones last forever. This is a natural stone carving. You can do more research. This lasts forever. Once it's done perfectly and beautifully, it is a forever. No extra cost in the future. Trust me. Yeah, so after I feed the stones, you have to use this 2x4, you see, to make sure that it looks straight. You are getting me. And 2x4 have to touch the rope and the other rope. But I no go push the rope, you have to do the mold of paper so that the stones no, it looks straight. You see the touches on the way. You see. Here also the same thing. You see. I said dry life here. Yeah. You see. So you are also to hold this small portion. You see. Yeah. So after the holding, at the motor no dey all.
Noel. Noel. Hablo mota.
So you get me. So now you spread the mortar inside the hole. You see. You see the hole. Yeah. So as for the mortar, we normally use like one bag for 4 hairpans or 3 hairpans. You make sure that the mortar is rich. So once you spread the mortar in the holes, you have to make sure that you spread the same mortar on the top of the stones. They are going to be a level, you see. The reason is say that mortar will catch the stones top into the onto the pillar, you see. So once you are doing it, you use the mortar to touch the pillar, you see. To touch the pillar, to yeah, like that, yeah, that's right. So that be the formula that we will be using to fix the natural stones on the building. That be the formula you can get by your see. But just look at the beauty. This is a Takwa flat stones, as you can see, and this also is a, a natural stone cladding with the same formula. With the same formula, as you can see, you see, with the same formula. With the same formula, as you can see, you see, yeah. So these are the sand that we are using to do the job, you see. So as for this job, we need a normal sand, nothing like that rough like that, nothing like too smooth. It must be a normal sand. So this is the type of sand that you use to do the job. But if in case that you don't know the quality of the sand, go for a color like this. Go for a color like this that is not black, you see, because some of the black sand can like most of them are clay. So just like that one, go for a sand like this. You see, this one look like yellowish, yellow color, be like this. You see, very nice and beautiful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a family. Bye bye.